Yo, what's up, Learning Machines? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys know, I've been kind of just showing you my two different income streams out of my, various income streams, but just Crack Revenue and Max Bounty during this month so far. We're 11 days into the month so far, and that's $46,000 on Crack Revenue, and that right there is $49,000 on Max Bounty. Now, I had a few comments over the past few days, and I've been sharing results for the past, 2 years or something on my personal brand here. And it blows my mind about people's entitlement they feel towards me sharing, the secrets as to how, I'm doing this. And, people are like, without even saying they'll give me anything in return, they just expect things. And I thought it was so funny because it just happens. And, I'm here to give value, of course, and I have tons of videos that are hours long. And my personal brand is not big by any chance. But I don't care really. I care, but I don't care because, I have different income streams other places. Now, these results are literally insane, and anyone who says that this isn't good money is out of their mind because $100,000 from just two income streams is a lot of money. Now, how much of that is return on investment, ROI? The return on investment from just my Crack Revenue here, this is adult marketing stuff I do here. These are paid campaigns and some free traffic from my Big Cash Cow YouTube channel. The ROI here is like 4x on my money. And then Max Bounty is all free traffic. So all this is profit. So how I do that is just with YouTube and email lists that I have, okay? And not just one email list, like a lot of separate email lists that are organized with active people, inactive people, people who like specific offers. I mean, it gets crazy. And it's a lot of flipping money. And if you want to know how I'm really doing this stuff, I have a lot of freaking programs that talk about how I'm doing this, and they're super underpriced for how much value is in them, because you can literally, with the knowledge inside, you can turn around and make this money right here and this money right here. Now, no results are guaranteed, obviously. And I love talking with you guys and everything, helping you out. I've talked with a lot of you guys in coaching calls and everything. So anyway, I guess for this video, I could actually give you guys a discount code for coaching calls just for the next few days if you want. I'll just throw a discount code down below so you can schedule a coaching call with me. I'll do half off or something. I'll do half off for coaching calls. So if you want to get extra special information, then perfect. And they're literally proprietary information. It's specific information for you. That's what's so powerful about a coaching call. So I really like doing coaching calls because I can work with you one-on-one and talk with you one-on-one for 30 minutes and give you everything you need to know for what you're doing or what you want to do and tell you the exact information how to do it. Because I can tell you right now, it's very rare for people in this world to be able to make in just 11 days, for example, $100,000 from just two income streams with their income stream. The opportunity is endless. There's money everywhere. There are secrets to this world, and there are tricks to how to do things. And, if you want more knowledge from me, check out my other videos on YouTube, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.